Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1323. Now this is a maximum number 69 number. Now we are given a positive integer that contains only the digit 6 and 9. We can change at most one digit 6 equal to 9 or 9 equal to 6. Our task is to find the maximum number possible after making at most one change. Now as you can see in this example, the given digit is. And if we change number this, it will give us the highest possible number. As you can see, the how the it's changing the numbers like that. Now the main problem, how do we solve this? Now think about which digit contribute the most to the value of a number. The digit on the left have much bigger value than the digit on the right. So if you want the maximum number possible, we should change the first six we encounter into 9 because changing an earlier digit increases the number more than changing a later digit. Now let's get into the code. First, string so that we can easily look through it. For I press this. Now we can just think first counter if size equal to fill, then just replace it with 9 and break the loop. Now here the STY function does just convert the string to the integer. Let's check. Let's separate it. Let's submit it. Okay, now that's it for this video. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.